There's absolutely nothing more addictive than love, whether it's cocaine, whether it's heroin, whether it's nicotine. It's nothing compared to the intensity of withdrawal that we get when we're in love. So in this video right now, I'm going to share with you the 5 ways to make a man emotionally addicted to you. And don't worry, this is a toy cigar. It's having a little bit of fun. It's not real. Let's get into it. My name is Adam Ladolce. I'm an executive love coach and the founder of lovestrategies.com. And our clients, when they work with us, they report that the guys that they end up with, these guys are almost addicted to them. Like they're bringing them flowers.
He shows up in every way. He sends cards. He sends flowers.
Or these guys are making plans way in advance. They're doing everything they can to spend more time with our clients. And the wild thing is, when they follow the right strategy, and it has nothing to do with your age, your looks, or even what you do for a living, it's all about how you make him feel. That's exactly what we coach our clients on. And so in this video right now, I want to share with you some of these strategies that we can use to make a man feel absolutely addicted to you. And as a side note, if you are looking for the right type of executive love coaching to help you attract the love you truly deserve, head on over to loveapply.com, apply for a complimentary love strategy session. We'll walk you through the entire process step by step. All right, let's get into those 5 strategies. The first one is to give him that dopamine hit. This is done through surprise, and that can be the small, unexpected moments of joy. It could be like a thoughtful message that you send him. It could be, a spontaneous compliment that comes out of nowhere. It could be an inside joke. Whatever it is, I want you to be lighting up his reward center kind of like a slot machine. Like, look, I know in the movies, they always talk about writing him the classic note in the lunchbox. That's super sweet. But I actually look at this differently. I want you to break the pattern through surprise. That's what makes things addictive. Instead of every single day just texting him a good morning text, instead, I want you to randomly just send him a voice note that says something like, I just had a little moment where I realized how much I adore you. That's all. Carry on. Like, how freaking sweet is that? That's going to light up his dopamine center in his brain. Or another playful one you could try is send him a Venmo for $5 with a caption that said, your coffee's on me today, handsome. Go be amazing. Ding, 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 ding. That is the slot machine right there. That's going to light up his dopamine center. And that's, again, what makes things addictive, because these things are so spontaneous. They're kind of random, and he doesn't know when they're going to be coming next. Or a final example is randomly compliment a part of him that he doesn't expect. You could be like, hey, has anyone ever told you how sexy your brain is when you're explaining something you're really passionate about? And say that right after he talks about something random that he was talking about. It could be fishing. It could be about his motorcycles. It could be about sports. I don't care. You throw that compliment his way and you are going to light up centers of his brain that he may not have ever felt before. Another way to make a man emotionally addicted to you is to just mirror his emotions. And this is when a man is sharing something really vulnerable and he's kind of opening up to you in ways maybe he hasn't done before. It's really important to gently mirror that energy back. I want this guy to feel seen. I want him to feel heard. And that is truly addictive, because a lot of women will say that they want a man who's emotionally vulnerable. But when a guy becomes emotionally vulnerable, they actually shut it down because it's kind of not that hot. You know what I'm saying? So our clients actually encourage that. We want that emotional vulnerability. We want that human-to-human connection. And when a guy is vulnerable, we reward this type of behavior. We allow that truly open, judgment-free space where a man can kind of let the feels feel a little bit, and he's going to want to come back for more if he feels like he can be in an emotionally safe space. So give that to him. The third way to make a man emotionally addicted to you is let him earn your affection. Stop overgiving. Let this guy pursue. Let him invest. Let him put in the work and earn his way into your life, please. Because at the end of the day, it is a human need to want what it is that we work for. We value what it is that we work for. And if we get too much of something too quickly, we're actually going to want to pull away. I mean, even a smoker would say that you can smoke too many cigarettes and you're never going to want one again. I mean, there is a limit. So pace it out a little bit. Let him make those investments in you consistently, because humans at the end of the day, we have an inherent need, again, to desire what it is we can have. And, look, my clients, they don't do this to play games. They do this to set themselves up for a healthy, long-lasting relationship. They don't overinvest too soon. They let the guy make that investment at the early stages of dating, and so that these guys can court them. At the end of the day, that's what's most important. Another important way to make a man emotionally addicted to you is to just Stay in that beautiful feminine energy that I know you got within you. Look, when you're in that receiving, soft, confident, feminine energy, it gives a man the space to actually pursue. Whereas if you're in that chasing energy all the time, you're always trying to get from this guy, guess what? He's going to pull away, I promise you. When you sit in that feminine energy, a man will step into his masculine. And at the end of the day, a man is fueled by feeling like a man. And it's really hard to feel like a man when you're with a highly masculinized woman who controls his every next step. And I know this is a really big challenge for a lot of really successful women out there who all day long, you're in a masculine environment with professionally, and that's how you get ahead. So if you want a step-by-step strategy to be able to get out there and be able to find love, do it with a strategy and do it with feminine energy, just head on over to lovestrategies.com. We have a free training. It's going to walk you through our entire process and help you get control of your love life by actually leaning into the feminine. And with that said, the final way to make a man emotionally addicted to you is to just give him some unexpected affirmation. This can be just some random praise out of nowhere or a note that just says, I'm proud of you. Like, I really am proud of you. You're doing an incredible job. And by doing this, these moments, they bypass his ego and they sink into his emotional core. Because at the end of the day, nothing is more addictive than the power of being needed. And men crave being needed. And I think that that's why men struggle when they're with a woman who doesn't need them. And so by stepping forward, by giving them that affirmation, by telling him that he is needed, it's going to make him want to step up to the plate and be the best man possible for you. So if you've enjoyed this video, and you've ever experienced any of these signs from a guy being emotionally addicted to you, or you need some help in this area of your life, go ahead and leave a comment right there below. We'd love to help you out and hear your story. All right. Talk to you very soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.